but the city that will be the home of the new Ram Mandir is being painted yellow 5 days before the grand Bhumi Pujan celebrations. Take a look at this ground report on a city that's turning yellow. Five days to go to Ayodhya's biggest celebration. The holy city is preparing for the beginning of a brand new era, the Bhumi Pujan of India's Ram Mandir on the 5th of August. If you usually associate the Ram Janmabhoomi with the color saffron, the temple town is being painted yellow. The color associated with Vishnu, of whom Lord Ram is an avatar. From the Saryu Ghats to streets to other landmarks, everything in Ayodhya is a beautiful resplendent yellow. The color has importance in religious rituals and will be prominent going forward.
ये राम जी के मंदिर का निर्माण हो रहा है और उसी खुशखबरी में जो है ये अयोध्या का पीले रंग का बन रहा है।
तो आप लोग को अच्छा लग रहा है ये?
नंबर 1 का बहुत अच्छा बन रहा है।
ये तो राम मंदिर का ही निर्माण जो हो रहा है और ये अच्छा लग रहा है। मोदी जी आ रहे हैं और अयोध्या में बहुत ही भव्य कार्यक्रम हो रहा है।
Popular stories of Lord Ram and incidents in the Holy Ramayana are being engraved on the walls in Ayodhya. The city is finally getting to tell the story of its icon again. The upcoming Bhumi Pujan has understandably gripped the temple town, with the sound of saints and residents singing bhajans to express their love for Lord Ram audible at every turn.
इंतजार क्या आ ही गया है। आ गई है मिलन की सुहानी घड़ी, वक्त की ताल पर नाचती है खुशी। ढल चुकी है समा मुस्कुरा ले सनम, एक नई सुबह दुनिया में आने को है। वो आ गया है।
More than 1 lakh laddus are being prepared for the August 5th ceremony, which will see Prime Minister Narendra Modi as chief guest.
ये आज 4 रोज हो गया बनते हुए। 1,11,000 लड्डू बन रहा है यहाँ भोग के लिए, भोग और वितरण के लिए।
In a symbol of national unity and strength, holy water and sands from prominent temples across the country are being sent to Ayodhya for the construction of the Ram Mandir. By all accounts, the beginning of the Mandir will be an event to remember. That's the way the UP administration has planned it. With VIP guests led by the Prime Minister, the temple town is being turned into a fortress. 3 helipads are being prepared for the Prime Minister's arrival. The timing of the foundation laying ceremony is 12:15 p.m. At that time, 5 bricks will be put up in the midst of Vedic mantras and chanting.
पहले पूजा होगी भूमि की, उसके बाद कच्छप रखे जाएं उनकी पूजा होगी, फिर नाग रखे जाएं उनकी पूजा होगी। इसके बाद जो 5 ईंटें हैं, रिक्ता, नंदा, भद्रा, जया और पूर्णा, ये उनके नाम हैं। ये 5 ईंटें जो हैं वह है चांदी के हैं और चांदी के ईंटें रखे जाएंगे और मंत्र के द्वारा उनको स्थापित किया जाएगा।
From the 3rd of August, Ayodhya's borders will be sealed and no one will be allowed to enter the city after the 4th of August. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has also made an appeal to the people of Ayodhya to avoid large congregations amidst the pandemic. He has requested citizens to light diyas at home and recite verses of the Ramayana. With Shivendra Srivastav and Kumar Abhishek in Ayodhya, Bureau Report, India Today.